In this video, I will show you step by step how you can start Amazon affiliate marketing business as a beginner using Pinterest and using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, I will share with you guys how you can find a profitable product that you will promote on Pinterest to earn a lot of commission, because you cannot promote any product. You need to choose specific and trending product that people are searching for on Pinterest so you can earn commission. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end, because I will share with you new methods that you can use to start making a lot of money with Amazon affiliate marketing business. Okay, so let's get started. So first you need to open an Amazon account like this one. Okay, so just go to Google, okay, and search for Amazon like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. You just need to use your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to open Amazon affiliate account. So go back to Google and search for Amazon associate. Okay, like this. Click on the first link and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on sign up and you will be again to directly to this page. Click over here on create your Amazon account like this, and here you go. You just need to put your first and last name here and your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. After you finish, you should have an account like this one with Amazon associates. Okay, it's super easy. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your Amazon homepage, and now we need to open a Pinterest business account. Okay, so we can promote our Amazon affiliate product on Pinterest. So just go back to Google and search for Pinterest. It's super easy. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. Make sure to open business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so to start promoting Amazon affiliate product on Pinterest, you need to choose which products are trending right now and what people are searching for on Pinterest, which products people are searching for. Okay, you cannot promote any products on Pinterest. You need to choose specific and trending product. Okay, so what you will do, we will use Pinterest trend. Go to Google and search for Pinterest trend. Okay, like this. Click on the first link and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so this account will give you what's trending right now in this month on Pinterest. Okay, so what we'll do, just open this page like this. Okay, on Pinterest trend, scroll down. You can also choose which country you want to target. Let's say if you want to target audience from United States, you can select this one. If you want audience from Canada, select this one. And so I will just keep using United States. I will scroll down, and Pinterest trend will give you those what's trending on Pinterest in this month. Okay, in United States. Okay, so as you can see, those are the products and niches that are trending on Pinterest. Okay, like this one, nails. Let's check this one. Just click on uh, the product that you want to check, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and select past 3 months. Okay, like this. Scroll down. Let me see if we can find good one. Like this one. I think this one is trending. If you scroll down, you have over here related trends. Okay, you have more keywords. I will check this one. I will click on this keyword and let me see, and here you go. As you can see, this product is trending on Pinterest. Okay, this product is for women. Okay, it's really good. What I will do, I will copy those keywords, okay, like this, and I will go back to Amazon. I will click over here on the search, and they will search for this product, okay, like this, because this product is trending on Pinterest right now in this month in United States, okay. And here you go, you will find a lot of products about related to this keyword, okay. So what you will do, you need just to choose good seller, okay. So let's see if we can find a good seller here, like this one for example. This seller is a really good seller, he has a lot of reviews. Let me see. Okay, it's really good. This one also looking, it's a good seller. So let me choose a good one, okay. So you just need to choose good seller. Let me see. Okay, I will use this seller. So just click on his products like this. Click on his products and you will be directly in his Amazon store page like this, okay, in his Amazon store profile. Scroll down, and what you need to do next is you need to click, so let me show you. Click on this picture. Let's check his pictures. Okay, we need to use one of those pictures. So click on his picture and double click and click over here on save image, okay. You need to save this picture to your laptop. I will name it Amazon. Click on save, okay, like this. And what you will do next, you will go back to your Pinterest account, okay. Go back to your Pinterest account, click on home feed, click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and upload this picture, okay. Upload this picture about your Amazon product, okay, like this. And what you will do next, you need to put title, description, and your affiliate link. So go back to this Amazon product page and copy this title, okay. I will copy this title, just this one, okay, like this. And I will go to Pinterest and I will put this title over here, okay. I will delete this part, and here you go. You need description. Go back to this Amazon product page, okay, and scroll down, and you should see over here about this item, okay. This is the description about this product. So copy this description. You will copy this part like this, and they will go back to Pinterest and they will put this description here. So you need to put here your affiliate link. So go back to this Amazon product page and you should see this bar over here, Amazon Associate, okay. Click on text and here you go. This is your affiliate link, okay. This is your affiliate link. Copy your affiliate link from here and go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here, okay, like this. Scroll down, click on choose a board, and you just need to, if you have a new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create a lot, okay. So let me see, I will choose this one for Amazon. Scroll down, you need to put here keywords, okay, keywords related to this product. So what you will do, you will go back to your Pinterest trend account and copy those keywords, okay. Scroll down, you have here related trends, okay, and you have here those keywords, okay. So copy those keywords. So just copy those keywords over here and go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here, okay, like this. So, and after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. Your Amazon product, affiliate product, will be published on Pinterest, okay, like this. This is your Amazon product, affiliate product. This is your title and this is your affiliate link, okay. So people who will check your product on Pinterest, if they click over here on your affiliate account, on your affiliate link, they will be directly in this Amazon seller profile page. If they click on buy now and they buy this product from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. It's really super easy. Okay, that's how we can start Amazon affiliate marketing business using Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.